Hola, and welcome to Dr. Doug's Quick Spanish. Today we're going to take a look at the conditional tense, what exactly it is. Well, in English, it's the word would, right? I would go, I would be, you would have, etc., etc. It's this word would indicates the conditional tense in English. Now, in English, we have would and then we have an infinitive, right? Would is actually what's called an auxiliary verb, a helper verb. It doesn't exist in Spanish. And the common mistake students make is trying to look up the word would in the dictionary when they're trying to form these sentences. It just doesn't exist. Instead, in Spanish, what we do is we take the infinitive and we add one of these endings. So I would go, yo iría, right? That means would go. I would be, yo sería, right? There are a few exceptions where instead of using the infinitive, you use one of these stem changing verbs, right? And you really have to memorize this, but they're the same as the future tense. That helps a little bit in studying. One thing about the conditional, we do not use the conditional for the past tense. Well, we do sometimes, but not generally. For example, when I was a child, I would go to the mall. You're thinking, oh, would go. There we have conditional. No, not really. We use instead the imperfecto for that, right? So yo iba al centro comercial. So when you're using the conditional in the past, be careful if you're because if you're talking about things that are habitual, it's probably going to be the imperfecto instead of the conditional. Careful with that. And that's it. Thanks for watching.